Alright, so guys, we have been seeing a lot of the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus information, including the renders, rumors, and even official images. But the smaller Galaxy Tab S7 is yet to make a proper appearance on the internet. But that change is now courtesy of Price Baba and Nishan Agarwal shared some specs of the Galaxy Tab S7. So what exactly are the changes here compared to the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus? For one, we see a Snapdragon 865 processor instead of the Snapdragon 865 Plus tipped for the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, which is disappointed for those who really care about the latest processors. But this is still one of the most powerful feature packed SoCs on the market though, so gaming and other tasks should be handled just fine. Next, the Galaxy Tab will have an 11-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which is insane, and this could be a departure from its predecessor, which featured a 10.5-inch OLED screen with a 60Hz refresh rate, but sadly it's still smaller than the S7 Plus supposed 12.4-inch display. So guys, we know that a higher refresh rate usually requires more juice, and according to Ishan, Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 will pack an 8000 mAh battery, which is impressive, and this is significantly bigger than the 7040 mAh battery in the Galaxy Tab S6. So this new battery should be enough to keep the lights on for a while. In any case, we will hear quite a lot about the Galaxy Tab S7 series in the coming days, so be sure to subscribe to keep up with all the updates, and do let me know what you think about it down in the comments. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next ones. Peace out.